Lucknow. Hi, my name is Shreya Srivastava and I am a student at Amity Institute of Rehabilitation Sciences. I have learned that to become a good rehabilitation professional, you need more than textbooks. You need real experience. That's what my time here has provided. Through my internships and training, I have learned how our learning is applied to genuinely help people, which has been incredibly meaningful. Another special part of our campus is our resource room. It's a space where we try out different assessment tools and learning aids. Working with them made concepts easier to understand. And one of the special components of AIRS is our faculty. Their constant support and encouragement have shaped both my academics and personal growth. Along with academics, Amity has encouraged me to go beyond classroom. I have been honored with Ananta Girls Achievers Award in 2025 and I have won multiple awards in poetry and debate competitions, which has strengthened my confidence, communication skills and self-expressions. As I move forward, I feel prepared, as Amity has given me practical skills, true confidence and great communication skills. I am eager to take everything I have learned here into my future career. Thank you.